Everybody wants old Florida charm, but nobody can find it until now. Presenting Monte Lago. Monte Lago was built to last, set on more than 3 acres and wrapped in timeless brick. A 4-car garage and a private attached guest suite add to the design. With soaring ceilings, masonry fireplaces, and over 5,200 square feet of livable space, this estate is as functional as it is timeless. Perched above 180 feet of pristine spring-fed water frontage, this home offers rare seclusion and timeless old Florida living. Schedule your private tour today before it's too late.